watermelon said to the cantaloupe, "Let's run away and get married." And the cantaloupe said, "I'm sorry, but I cantaloupe." Didn't. BlueEyedJackson here, and today joining me is
Design Girl. In spirit of the new Minion movie, you should definitely go see it. We are doing the watermelon challenge, but we decorated it like a minion.
And we made it our own special minion because he has the best hair in the world. Just saying. So let's get started. So the first step is to spray paint your watermelon yellow because it's a minion. And the next step is to get your mason jar cap and take the middle thingy-mabobby out.
The lid
out and flip it around so it is white. So we're going to put some hot glue around the edges and just put this in. Going down. And now we're going to do the eyes on the goggles. And the first step is to draw your circle because if you mess up, you can erase it. And so I'm going to draw it and then she's going to fill it in with brown. Okay, let's get started.
There you go. It's a circle and it's brown.
And then you're going to draw the strap. And then now you're going to fill it in with a Sharpie or black paint. We are going to draw pupils on our eyes. Right in the middle?
Yep. Not too big, but kind of big, not small.
Yeah. So the next thing that you're going to do is add a little speck of sunlight onto the eye. Let's get started.
On the right side, right?
Now we're done. So let's get to painting the mouth and the overalls.
So now we're painting in the teeth and we're making them white, but make sure you do not get that little black line because it would look like a giant white tooth.
Which would be weird.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. I don't want to make it bad.
Now it's time to paint the overalls and we've got our blue, so let's get started.
For safety reasons, we put on these crazy looking goggles.
Yes, because we're crazy. And so let's get started and R.I.P. Minion. So to be safe, we got goggles and some awesome trash bags. That's normal.
Did the minion just say something? What in the world? Did you guys hear that?
Is he talking?
I sure hope we're not being we're not crazy because that is weird. I think he wants a banana. We'll be right back. And then we're gonna go grab him a banana. Sorry, Minion. We don't have any bananas, but we have applesauce.
They hate applesauce.
Oh my gosh, that means it's starting to break.
I know, this whole thing is actually dripping.
Really?
Look, it's dripping. Come on, explode!
For like 2 hours.
Is that it?
It's exploding!
That was awesome!
It went...
That was awesome!
It went...
What in the world is that?
What?
On the ground?
Oh!
Rubber bands. I thought it was a beehive in the middle of the watermelon. That's all the rubber bands we use.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is what we used.
Those are all the rubber bands.
Lovely. And I hope you guys try this awesome thing out. It may take forever, so be prepared. So on Instagram, I asked you guys what you think I was doing, and I took a picture of the minion. And the winner is Kiki_Donutland.
Congratulations!
Like and comment down below.
Hashtag explosion.
Yes. Comment down below hashtag explosions. And if you've seen the Minion movie, I will see you guys later. BlueEyedJackson and
Design Girl
out!
Wait, guys. Wait. Before you click off, I'm excited to announce I'm doing another meet and greet with Bethany G in the Rainforest Cafe in downtown Disney in Anaheim, California, July 25th at 6 to 6:30. And remember, it's free, so please come meet me and Bethany G. The picture right here gives the information, and remember to RSVP online. Thank you guys. Bye.